Hello, let's start. So I'm recording this video on July 3rd, 7:45 IST. So before the market opens, I would like to share the high, low and the midpoint for today's market. So these levels are just derived from based on mathematical calculations, which is derived from the data of National Stock Exchange of India, NSE site. So using those data, we have arrived to these levels. Okay. So the market, I have drawn 6 probabilities that the market can behave today. So this is an important zone. The market has closed around 24,123. So there are 3 types of opening which is possible: either gap up, gap down, or a neutral opening. Okay. So what if the market opens above 24,250? If it sustains above this level, there is a chance that the market will rally upwards. Okay. What if the market opens below 24,050? There is a chance that the market will travel downwards. Okay. What if it opens at this range, or what if it opens here and it closes above this range? It can travel up to the midpoint. So this is the third probability. The fourth probability is that if it opens around 24,250 and it closes below this range, it can retest here and it can travel to the midpoint. So these are the four probabilities. And the fifth one is, what if it is a neutral opening? And if it's a neutral opening and if it sustains above the midpoint, which is 24,150, it can retest at the midpoint and can travel to the eye level, which is 24,250. And if it opens below the midpoint, it can retest at the midpoint, which is 24,150, and it can travel up to 24,050. Okay. So the thing is, if it's a neutral opening, there are other criteria which we can match, whether it's going to go to the higher level of the trading range or it's going to go to the lower level of the trading range. So these are the 3 important key levels, and these are totally based on quantitative research and not any technicals. So let's see after the market how these lines have reacted. I'm not gonna change this chart. I'm just gonna let it be the same. Okay. Let's see after the market. Have a good trading day.